Hello viewers, so let's continue with the question for NECO 2024, right? So today we have question 3A to solve, which says the vertices of triangle PQR are P we have -3 and 8, Q we have 4 and 3, and R 1 and 2. So we have to find the equation of the lines for the first one for PQ, the second one QR. So let's get started. Now for the first one, PQ, now let's take the point for P and Q. For P here we have -8 and 3, and for Q we have what? 4 and 3. So we're going to label this now. This is going to be x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So we're going to use the formula, which is what? PQ, equation for PQ is equal to what? Y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to what? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so this is the formula we're going to use. Now let's substitute. So this is equal to y minus y1, which is 8, all over x minus x1, which is -3, is equal to y2, which is 3, minus y1, which is 8, over x2, which is 4, minus x1, we have it as what? -3. So this becomes what? Y minus 8 over x, minus times minus is plus, so we have +3 is equal to 3 minus 8 gives us -5, all over 4, minus 3 means 4 plus 3, and this gives us 7. So here we cross multiply, we'll be having what? Y minus 8, all of this multiply by 7 is equal to -5 multiplied by what? X plus 3. So here we have x plus 3. So y minus 8 multiplied by 7. So 7 times y gives us what? 7y minus 8 times 7, 56, which is equal to -5 times x gives us -5x. -5 times 3 is what? This gives us minus what? 15. So here we have what? 5x plus is and becomes 5 minus 5x becomes 5x. We have plus 7y minus 56 minus 15 becomes plus 15. This is equal to 0. So we have 5x plus 7y minus 56 plus 15 gives us -41 is equal to 0. So this is the equation for what? For line PQ. All right. So now let's move on to the next one, which we're required to find for line QR, right? So for line QR, using the same formula, y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to y. So let's bring out the values of for Q and R. For Q, we have 4, 3, and then we have 1 and 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let's substitute. So this becomes y minus y1, which is 3, over x minus x1, which is 4, is equal to y2 minus y1, y2 is 2, minus y1 is 3, all over x2 minus x1, x2 is 1, minus x1, which is what? 4. So let's simplify. We have y minus 3 over x minus 4 is equal to 2 minus 3 gives us what? -1 over 1 minus 4 gives us -3. Cross multiply here, we're going to be having what? -3 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to -1 multiplied by x minus 4. So let's open up the brackets. So we have -3 times y, this gives us -3y. -3 times -3 gives us +9. This is equal to -1 times x gives us -x. -1 times -4 gives us what? +4. So collecting like terms and rearranging, we have -x crosses to the equal sign. We have x minus 3y plus 9 plus 4 crosses to become -4. We equate this equation to be equal to 0, right? So we have x minus 3y Plus 9 minus 4 gives us what? Plus 5. So this is equal to 0. And this is the equation for line what? Line QR. So viewers, we have come to the end of the solution to this problem. If you have any question, can you drop a question in the comment section? If you're first time here and you've watched up to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you are notified once I am live or once I upload a new video. I am Aisha Bende. Thank you for watching and bye for now.